What is home restoration?
Home restoration is basically repairing a home after disaster like water damage, fire, flood, pipe breaks, even trees falling on your house.
How do I choose a reputable home restoration company?
Well, I would start with making sure one's IICRC certified, and that's for the Institution of Inspection, Cleaning, and Restoration. Our certification will be listed on our website.
What are common signs that a home may need restoration?
Common signs would be water staining, odor, visible growth, that sort of thing.
What does the home restoration process typically involve?
The restoration process would typically involve inspection to verify damages, to help mitigate, to prevent further damages. And then that would also include demolition of affected materials, drying things out. Sometimes insurances companies are involved. And then once my portion is ready, it goes off to a reconstruction contractor once everything's mitigated.
How long does a typical home restoration project take?
For a typical restoration project, that can take anywhere from, I've seen a small one, even a couple of weeks, or a large one could take 6 or 8 months.
What costs are involved in home restoration?
For costs, it could be very low, as little as 400 all the way up to $250,000 I've seen. So
Is home restoration covered by insurance?
for covering my insurance, often, yes, there could be some exclusions that could prevent that. Often, maybe like groundwater or anything deemed negligent or long term. Sometimes it's not included, but often, yes.
How do I file an insurance claim for home restoration?
To file an insurance claim, you can either file online or call your carrier direct.
What are the different types of home restoration services?
Different types of restoration would be water, fire, mold, tree damage, storm damage.
Can home restoration increase the value of my house?
Not directly, but often through the rebuild process, you can end up just getting everything kind of updated.
What are the risks of delaying home restoration?
The risk for delaying could be further damage, often as mold or rot.
How should someone find a licensed and insured home restoration professional?
To find a licensed professional, often Google or even your insurance carrier would have preferred vendors.
What should be included in a home restoration contract?
To include in a contract, restoration contract would be insurance information or even a general scope of work.
What are the most common causes of damage that require home restoration?
Most common causes of damage would be like water, fire, mold damages.